Hi, today we're looking at the first video on Legend of Madrid from the Faber series, and I think it's in your third grade book. Here we're learning to count with 6 beats in a measure. In this song, all the B's are flat. It tells us that at the beginning. So let's take a little bit of a look at the music. All the B's are flat. And here, Mrs. Thompson wrote 6 beats in a measure, a quarter note. That's incorrect. You need to cross that out. It should say, get rid of quarter, an eighth note, E-I-G-H-T-H note, which is a filled-in note with a flag, like this note, gets 1 beat. So an eighth note gets 1 beat, a quarter note gets 2 beats. Where we're going to run into trouble is on measure 9. So we take, because most of these measures are going to have 6 notes in every measure. It's going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here in the 9th measure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's a quarter note. That has the value of a quarter note, and there's the 8th note there. That has to be the 6th beat. So these 2 notes, this note here is going to get 2 beats because quarter notes get 2 beats. Or you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And measure 10 also does the same thing. Where at the end of it, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is worth 2 beats. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you can grasp that concept, or at least follow the directions of that concept, you will be just fine. So we are going to take a look at first the left hand. And many of these left-hand notes are based on chords. Of course, I see chords everywhere. The first left-hand series of notes is based on D minor. Or Good Boys Do, starts on do, skip, skip. And that goes on for the first line. The measure 5 is based on a G minor chord, D, G, B flat. Or Good Boys Do. Then you have a space, all cows eat grass, this is hop space, and then B is always the note that B's there on the top. And you gotta learn these left-hand notes. Measure 7 goes back to D minor. And then we get to measure 9. Measure 9 is based on a C chord. And then we're going to get a B flat chord in measure 10. B flat, skip, skip. And then an A chord, starting on A, all, skip, that skips, but it's sharp. So when you get your hands to come together, it should sound like this. And I'd certainly go and look that up on the internet and listen to it. Here we're learning to count in 6/8 time. It's incredibly important. And we could do a whole lesson on just counting in 6/8 time, and I think that we will at some point. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.